folks, welcome back to another episode of Eileen singing videos. Excuse me. I got this request there about 2 weeks ago from Emily Fleming, who requested this song originally by Fleetwood Mac and covered by Eva Cassidy. So it's actually a beautiful song. So I did attempt to do it with the guitar, but it turned into a bit of a fiasco. So I'm just going to do it without. Songbird. For you, there'll be no crying. For you, the sun will be shining, 'cause I feel the when I'm with you. It's alright, I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. To you, I would give the world. For you, I'd never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you. It's alright, I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before.